Hello everybody, we're here at 9354 East Sector Drive, Mesa, Arizona. We're about to head into a 4-bed, 3-bath home in the community of Eastmark. We got community pools in this community, we got parks, it's a beautiful family community. House was built in 2023, so it's practically brand new. There's a little kind of a craftsman style going on. Paved driveway, paved walkway. Take it to this side of the house. Got a gate into your backyard. Take you out to the other side of the house so you know where your property lines are. As you can tell by the color of the wall, that's where your property would end. And let's head inside. So you got a 4-bed, 3-bath, a little over 2,600 square feet. You got a separate bedroom and bath on the first floor, and then you got 3 more bedrooms and 2 more bathrooms on the second floor. This is my little buddy. Say hello. He's keeping me company. This is your breezeway into the house, and as soon as you come in, you got a guest bathroom, full bath, single sink, tub and shower. Here's your bedroom. You walk in, you got a pretty good sized bedrooms in all this house, in this whole house, honestly. This is great for guests or, you know, older kids that are on the move to go to work and stuff like that. Standard size closet. And as you come back out into this hallway with the bath, this right here would be a linen closet. You know, typical linen closet. Go further into the home, and you have your cleaning closet, or you can hang your coats, shoes, whatever. Stairway upstairs into your family room. It's an open floor plan concept. So this opens right up to your kitchen. You got white cabinetry and kitchen with quartz countertops. Plenty of room to put a, you know, you can either do a more living room or in between, or plenty of room for a, as you can see, there's a pretty good sized dining table here. Good setup. Gas stove, which is to some is a major plus, and to others it's not. Granite countertops. When they built the house, they opted not to use the slow close cabinets and drawers, but there is hardware at your local IKEA that you can install and make them all slow close either way. This will be your pantry. Standard pantry, good sized pantry. You got plenty of room for all your food and necessities, crock pots, big pans that you don't want to look at. Over here, in between your kitchen and the breezeway, you're gonna have your 2-car garage, and you got plenty of room here if you ever wanted to do like a you know, a mudroom bench or hang your coats up, stuff like that. Turn some lights on. There's your 2-car garage. Plenty of room. We do have an inset here if you wanted to set up like a soft water system, workshop, whatever you want to do. Here's your hot water tank. Everything's gas, which is a lot easier on your bills. Head back in the house. I'm gonna take you outside real quick. It's right outside the kitchen. You got a sliding glass door, standard size. Paved patio in the back here. It is a maintenance-free yard. So you got a whole paved patio here. Paved walkway out to bring the trash barrels out. This side of the yard, there's the gate that we saw in the front of the house. I got a little dog area set up here so they can let the dogs do their thing on the turf. Or if you have children, you can set up a little playground back here. This side of the yard is your AC unit. It is a Lennox AC. There is also solar on this house. It is not owned, it is leased. More information in the MLS for that. Come back inside here to the house. Very nice. Like I said, practically brand new. I'm gonna take you upstairs now. There's the breezeway to the front door and that bedroom and bathroom that are downstairs. I'm gonna take you upstairs. Well, there's an awesome loft. Well, all of the other 3 bedrooms and the 2 other bathrooms will be down here. Here's your loft. Here's the master bedroom. Very good size. Dual sinks. Tile in the bathroom. Stand-up shower. This is gonna be another linen closet, pretty deep. This is gonna be another linen closet. Toilet room. And a walk-in closet. Pretty good size. Got a wrap around. Okay. We'll check out the other bedrooms. There's your loft. Nice and bright, plenty of room. Basically a second family room. This is gonna be a second bathroom. Same as the downstairs pretty much, single sink. Which you do have room to do a dual sink if you need to. Tub and shower. Well, the secondary bedrooms, like I said, they're all pretty good size. Standard closets. There's another secondary bedroom. Another good sized bedroom here. And this looks like it'd be a walk-in closet. Yep, another walk-in closet here. Pretty good size. And then off the 2 bedrooms is your laundry room, and you got plenty of room to do counters, you know, another fold-in table or whatever you gotta do. Huge, huge laundry room, along with a huge loft. So it is kind of split, where the master's over here and the secondary bedrooms are down the hall. So, but that'll be it. Take you for a walk one more time downstairs.